What's up guys, this is Tyler with Rev Rides. Today I'm going to show you how to totally unfold and fold your 0, 9, or 10 scooter. This should arrive just like this in the box. You'll push down on the lever here and then bring the stem up. If you pull the handlebars up, they'll lock into place, and then you can twist and thread these in and it'll tighten up the handlebars. Then I'll bring these all the way up or at whatever level you're comfortable with, and then always lock this and then give a nice firm push forward so you'll hear this pin down here click into place. And there it is. So that's completely folded. To unfold it, I'll just do the reverse, and I'll put a little bit of pressure on the foot peg here, and then I'll give another firm push. And then once it's like that, I'll bring the bars totally unscrewed, bring these down, and now it should be ready to go.